this is my third time doing this video because I keep forgetting to hit record. So here we are. I'm going to do this video again. I hope my lipstick's still fresh, and I decided I wanted to share my beautiful Christmas tree with you. I purchased this last year. I wanted a flocked Christmas tree so bad. I got this one from Balsam Hill, and I just love the airiness of it. I love that you can see through. It looks so real. I don't know how the camera's going to pick it up, but this is beautiful. And this year, I decided to decorate with just Christmas ornaments. And one thing I did differently this year, usually I go with the traditional Christmas colors. This year, I went with cream, gold, and bronze because that is the color theme throughout our home. So, especially the living room. So that is why I decided to make her match this year. So there is my lovely tree. Now let's get on with the video. A small portion of this video is in collaboration with LilySilk. I have shared many of their blouses with you throughout the years. This beautiful pure cashmere outfit that I'm wearing is from LilySilk. It is absolutely stunning, but it's going to be the last outfit I talk about. And LilySilk offers a code, Tammy15, that will get you 15% off your purchase. So let's start with the beautiful, beautiful green. And I got this because of all of you. You gave me so many compliments on the green I wore in a previous video that I had to get a blouse. So this is from LilySilk. It is the Placket blouse. I did get a large in this. Normally I get a medium, but sometimes the arms are a little tight, you know, because I pump iron in the gym. No, because I have big arms, that's all. So I did try the large because I wanted to be able to share with you the difference. I am very comfortable in this. I think it is fine because I like loose and flowing things, but I also like things comfortable on the arms, and this is very, very comfortable. When I wash these, I simply throw it in the wash machine on gentle cycle, delicate cycle, hand wash cycle, whatever your wash machine says for the most gentle, that's what you would wash these in. I take it out, I hang it on the hanger, let them air dry, and then I use my steamer. And my steamer is the Conair steamer. If I can find it, I'll link it. It is better than my Rowenta, which was a lot of money. My Conair was not. I think that's how you say it, Conair, but it's better than my Rowenta. Anyway, getting back to the silk blouse. I paired this, I'm going to insert little video clips here to let you see how I wear this. Silk can be casual, smart casual, or very dressy. This color and silk for the holidays, perfection. All right, my friends? So this one here, I paired with a pair of Spanx slacks. Now the slacks are very fitted from the waist to below the knees. Then they flare out into like a little bell bottom. I paired it with a pair of black patent leather shoes, and I left the blouse very soft and flowing. I put on some of my beautiful Dean Davidson jewelry, and I love it, my friends. Absolutely love it. This blouse, I have this in several colors. You all know that. I've shared it with you. But I absolutely love this. So, all right, so this gorgeous, gorgeous blouse, look at that color. It is stunning. Isn't it beautiful? Absolutely love it. I paired this one with silver jewelry, and the stone is the labradorite, and it's from Dean Davidson. I just love it with this blouse, but you could wear gold. Now this blouse, you'll notice, is longer in the back. Some women prefer to wear longer blouses in the back because they want to cover up the junk in the trunk. So this blouse will do that for you. It is gorgeous, has a little bit of detail in the back, soft and flowy. Beautiful, beautiful, 100% silk blouse, absolutely gorgeous. And this blouse I paired with a semi-fitted pair of black slacks. They're kind of cigarette style, and I love it. And I just put on a pair of black patent leather shoes. Next up is the outfit that I am wearing. Now this is the first time that I have tried any cashmere from LilySilk. This is really nice. It's very, very soft. There's no itch going on, because sometimes I can get a little itchy or I start to sweat. I'm not sweating. However, it is cooler here in Florida. I will say right up front, if I were in Buffalo still or in a colder climate, I would wear this all the time. And this comes in two colors, I think. The other one's more like a tan camel type color, but I really wanted the winter white, so that's why I got this. So I'm going to insert a clip here of me wearing it. Now, I made this very casual today because I don't have any boots here in Florida. If I were in Buffalo, I would have paired this for a dressier look, a smart casual. Let's say a smart casual look. I would have paired this with a pair of winter white boots that had a little bit of a heel. However, for me, because these are wide leg pants and I have short, stocky legs to begin with, I would have paired it with a chunky heel, pointed toe, not a square toe, because that would have cut me off. So I want to elongate when I'm wearing wide leg. So this is, for me, I really love this and I'm very comfortable in it. I did pair it with these great sneakers. They are winter white, and I think that the orange on the detailing of the sneaker really works well with this color. So the top is called their Rib Pure Cashmere Hoodie. The hoodie is very comfortable. It's not bulky. It lays nicely. The collar is very, very soft. There's no tags or anything itching you. I really do like this. I paired it with some Dean Davidson jewelry in gold. I really love the feel of this outfit. I paired it with a pair of sneakers because here in Florida, I don't have boots. If I were back in cold weather climate, I would have worn a pair of winter white boots or off-white boots, maybe a chunkier heel, but I would have made sure that the front of the boot is pointed because these are, as you can see in the video clip, they are wide leg. So wide leg will shorten me. So that's why I would wear it with a pointier boot, but I like it with these sneakers too. I would wear it this way as well. It's a very fun, casual outfit. I think this is just great. It's very, very comfortable, my friends. So really loving all the things that I got from LilySilk. So we're going to move on now. I did receive a couple of weeks ago from House of Sillage their Wonder Woman fragrance. This is the Wonder Woman 80th Anniversary Edition by House of Sillage. And this here has pink pepper, raspberry, bergamot are the top notes. Tolu, almond, orris is the heart note, and musk, vanilla absolute are the base notes. So when it dries down, it is going to have a little bit of vanilla dry down. And I wanted to share this one because so many people love vanilla. I'm not a vanilla lover. However, I did wear this out the other night. I spray it on the lower half. Lou really liked this fragrance, but it's beautiful. It just has the Wonder Woman emblem and, of course, her signature bottle, and it's beautiful. It's just gorgeous. And I know that House of Sillage is having some, I think, not this one, but they are having some holiday sales. So you might want to go and check because at one point they were 70% off some things. And these are pricier items, so you could maybe snatch a deal for yourself. Also, I received from BK Beauty, they have a travel set that came out. And inside are a few brushes, and I think, let me tell you which ones. This is the 101 travel brush. That's the foundation. There is a 107 travel brush, and then 3 eye brushes. And it is the 202, the 203, and the 207. And they all fit nicely in their little travel case. Travel brushes are very nice. I haven't tried these, but they look promising. All right, so I did get those from BK Beauty. Now, I purchased a few lipsticks from the holiday collection in Dior. I'm also wearing the eye palette, one of them. I bought them both, but one is rather cool, and it has like 3 colors I won't use. I wanted to see it in person, but the one I really do like. So this is the holiday collection. Now I'm wearing one of the lips, and I think this is so beautiful. It really is kind of a burnt red. So it's for those who don't want the blue red or the orange red. It is more of a brick tone. But what's nice about it has a matte look, but it's not. But this is the Deerific, and it's the 075, and it is actually called Rouge Capucine Satin. It is beautiful. It comes in a gorgeous, gorgeous lipstick tube. And again, this is the color on my lips. It is just, it's spectacular. It's gorgeous. Let me put a little bit on. It's a really nice formula. I'm going to be doing, a lot of people ask me, because I have very deep lip lines, and many ask me, how is it that you wear red and it doesn't bleed? Some of them do. There is a trick to it. So I think I might do a video on this because I don't have fillers in my lips. I don't have Botox around my mouth. So I am fighting lip lines all the time. If I zoom in, you can see my lip lines. Go to my Instagram, zoom in on the pictures, and there are my lip lines. No, Harley. So I do have some tips, and I'm going to share them with you, okay? Harley needs a little love and affection right now. So she does not care that I'm doing a video. She just says, Mama, I need some love. So I'm giving her some love. She's the sweetest dog ever. I swear to God, I love this dog. Okay, so I also purchased two other, and the first one is Sparkling Peony, and this is a metallic. Now, I really do like their metallic lipsticks. This one here, oh la la, it is stunning, so stunning. Look at that color. Look at it. It is just beautiful, my friends, gorgeous. Let me do a swipe on my hand. It is definitely, it's almost a crimson, deep fuchsia. It is beautiful. Look at that color. Their metallic formula is beautiful. It is gorgeous. Now I have to make sure I don't get this on my pure cashmere from LilySilk. All right, I'll go ahead and swatch the other one on my hand so you can see it on my hand as well. This one here is 466 Pink Rose. Many of you will like this. Ashley loved it when I showed. She said, oh my goodness, I love that one. It is beautiful. Again, this is a metallic. Look at that color. It is so beautiful. Come on, where are you? There you are. It is gorgeous. Look at that. Okay, so I'll swatch this on my hand. And I hope it shows up. This is definitely has a little, it's pink, but it does have that peach undertone, but it has a little bit of color. As I mentioned in another video, with each year that passes by and the more age my face shows, nude is just not a good color for me. And I don't think it's good for a lot of aging women. I think that we need a little bit of color as we age. So this is the pink satin. Isn't that beautiful, my friends? It's so stunning. It's gorgeous. All right, again, that is $4.66. I'll list and link everything below this video for you. Let me just go ahead and give you a swatch of this one. Just beautiful. Absolutely stunning. Oh, look at this. Just gorgeous. These colors, something for everyone here. Just beautiful. All right, my friends, so that is it for today's video. If you are interested in anything from LilySilk, I will have everything listed and linked below for you. The code is Tammy15. Make sure you take advantage of that. It's 15% off. And like I said, I think their prices are really good to begin with. For pure silk and pure cashmere, they have some really good prices. And they also have a sale page. Go on over and look and see what's on sale as well. All right, I'm gonna let you get out of here, but before you go, make sure that you subscribe. I would love to have you as an ageless beauty. Hit the bell right next to it. It notifies you of all the videos that I'm putting up. I'm gonna head on into the kitchen now and do some fun videos for the holidays. Until the next time, my friends, you go out in the world and you be oh so lovable. I love you all. Bisous.